To Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Monday, oh boy, I'll tell you, I'm using different equipment. Monday, June the 15th, 2009. What a day. What a day. What a doggone day. Can you say dollar? Dollar strength, baby. Listen, if you don't see a YouTube broadcast, just so you understand, if you don't see a YouTube broadcast, I always do one or the other, or most of the time I try and do both, but always one, globalfxradio.com and or the YouTube. So hopefully some of you tuned into Global FX Radio and, oh baby, what a day. What a day. SOS, or dollar BOP, I should say. Buy on pullback. Empire Manufacturing out of the U.S. was horrible, but I think really the big order of the day today, and I just love it how early I am, I got to tell you. Anyone read Dennis Gartman today? I've been saying this for a couple of days now. The dollar short position is so one-sided, and the dollar is so overextended to the downside, that when the bounce finally comes, it's going to be a monster. And we do have Sterling is going to be issuing, I think, what, $5 billion in gilts tomorrow. So I would imagine the Sterling, again, we're going to get yields in the gilts that's going to go up. Bond prices down. The pound should probably continue to get pounded over the next day or so. So, again, I think retail sales might be better, but that's a long way off. But we're looking at the euro dollar now again. Certainly, things out of Europe are not very good. Latvia, the whole situation there. But, again, global growth is not going to be as robust as everyone thinks. From New Zealand, Australia, Canada, to the U.S. But we really saw the dollar have a nice rally today. And, listen, certainly talk about intervention. I love Bloomberg. Sometimes as a trader you just get lucky. And you just got to love it. As you know, we went home short the Australian dollar. And, sometimes you get lucky. This you could have sold it at 80. I'm sorry, 81. It came down to 80.60, I think, in Asia, but you certainly could have sold a bounce. But anyway, again, certainly you get lucky. Talk about intervention in the commodity currencies. I think it's ridiculous to talk about intervention until we see the Australian dollar taking out the year high. What was that, 97 and change? So, come on. Remember everyone was talking about par in the Aussie? Give me a break. Intervention now won't work. Anyway, euro dollar. You're looking at the hourly chart. Let's take a look at the daily. I'm sorry, I had to go into my rant. Great article on the Riversbank head, Bernanke's basically counterpart, talking about deflation, which is something I truly believe is going on. And I love it how Gartman is talking about the head and shoulder that I brought to your attention, people, probably, a week ago? I saw this sucker developing when it was here. I think even here, right? Look at the neckline. It's over. Oh, baby. Say goodnight. This euro is going to be toast. I don't know what that report is about Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs with a 150 target on the euro. Look at that neckline. It's practically slitting the throat as we speak. If we zoom out on the euro, you can do your Fibonacci from any level you want. This one here, this one here, to this one here, to this one here. I would rather do it from the base, the real low. I know I'm spending a lot of time on the euro, but the dollar index is really the same thing. So based upon this level, again, I got to tell you, I see another neckline possibly brouhahaing right at 134. Oh, baby. I got a new target. Look at that. That'd be a nice little neckline, too, for a bounce up to here. Channel line down. I see the whole thing forming. You got to love it when you see something like that. I'll go in more detail in it, at another date, but you take a look at that chart yourself. Dollar yen, I think with the stock market down big, gold down big, oil down. Dollar yen under 97 is a short. Dollar yen above 99 is a long. I'm not going to be a hero. I think it's going lower. But you know what? Listen, my bias is basically lower unless we close above 99. A dollar yen close above 99, I'm bullish. A close below 97, and I am pounding the table on the short side. I'm in New York, so I don't really have my full setup here, so I'm going to be a little crazy with this stupid notepad thing. Sorry. And again, remember, summer special, baby. I'm hot. And if you are on globalfxradio.com, it's in the subscription section, if those of you that cannot find it. Oh, I feel it. Look at this double top and cable. Cable's going to 160. Maybe even tonight. Easy. Double top, picture perfect. I don't even know why I covered it. I got a channel line set up here. Bang. So certainly, what is that? Tonight that would be around 161. That's 180 pips. I'll tell you, this double top looks pretty, very pretty. Oh, so pretty. Look at that level. I'm very bearish on the pound, baby. I got a feeling. I don't even know if there's going to be a turnaround Tuesday. We'll see. Let's look at the euro sterling. Maybe bottomed out. I don't think so, but we'll see. I don't think so. Say goodnight. Now this one, I think you really have to do a longer term Fibonacci to understand the gravity of the pullback that could occur. Europe is in bad shape. Bad. I don't want that. Come on. What the hell are those time zones? Notice what's going on here. We are now closing below the 38.2% retracement. That means euro sterling can head down to 82. Oh, baby. Now, the carry trade certainly is something that I think bears watching. I think there's tremendous opportunity in the carry trade. With the stock market down, with talk of devaluation, I think that's making... Listen, devaluation means carry trade gets devalued too. I think this euro yen is on the verge of a major sell-off. I am very bearish in this pair right now. I think we're heading down, maybe even, could be tonight. Was that 132? We gave those away. Oh, did I give those away today? Horrible. We had a tremendous day, don't get me wrong. A great European session, then a phenomenal U.S. session. So look at the doji and the bearish engulfing on sterling yen. Can you say 155? Easy. Oh, sheezy, baby. Look at this chart. Let me get rid of these lines. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Hang on. Sorry. Come on. All right. Well, sorry. I got to tell you, I don't see how this 152 level isn't going to get hit. I mean, you take out 155, and this sterling yen is done. Obviously, dollar yen is going to have to come in, but cable could just melt down. Dollar yen goes nowhere. Dollar yen could drift down to 96. Oh, come on. Ugh. All right, Aussie yen, big down day today. Bye-bye. Oh, my goodness. Dojis and bearish engulfings all over the place. Remember, the Texas three-step, people. Bearish engulfing, continuation, and possible reversal. Turnaround Tuesday. So I got a feeling we're going lower, baby. And after that, maybe a potential reversal. But this Aussie yen has about 76 written all over it. Loonie yen, with all these issues going on with the Quebecos and you loony bunch over there, talk about cessation potential. Wow. You know Garvin's going to panic. You just got to feel it. Big support level here. Certainly we break through this level, 86. It's going to look terrible. It's a big move down. But again, doing our Fibonacci. From the low to the high. And we're talking about 81.30 as the first support level on a Fibonacci basis now. You know, so I got to tell you, I'm getting very, very dollar bullish. Let's take a look at the dollar index. Now again, remember, my summer special is only for June and July. In August, it comes off. So I really hope some of you take advantage of it because you know what? I feel more of a run coming. Dollar index is a closing high now, we see. I don't know what all these lines are. Hang on. Again, it's in the subscription section of globalfxradio.com. The only Fibonacci I'll be looking at right now is dollar index. I don't think I have enough time. Let's see. Boom. Dollar index from the highs to the lows. And there we are, baby. That's where the dollar's going. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, YouTube, the only voice, 11 Forex that makes you money, baby. Have a good night.